there friends, it's Ashley here from The Loopy Lamb and theloopylamb.com, and today I'm going to be taking a look at this mindful making crochet coaster kit from DMC. So they had reached out and contacted me, asked if I might be interested in checking it out. So I'm going to do an unboxing here and we'll take a look at what's in the kit. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that like button. And on this channel, we post weekly free content in the form of free crochet patterns, tutorials, and product reviews like this. So let's get started. This is by DMC, and the package here says mindful making, relax, unwind, and calm your mind. These are Mandala coasters, and the kit's called the Mandala Coasters Crochet Kit. And you can see here on the bottom here that it says it's got 4 20-gram balls of yarn, and each of those balls have 43 meters or 47 yarns. There's a tapestry needle, there's a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and 10 stitch markers. Wow, that's a lot of stitch markers. All right. And then on the side here just outlines everything that's in the kit. And it looks like the instructions are going to be in several different languages, so that's good, making it accessible for many different people. And on the back here says, soothe your mind with meditative stitches to create calming coasters. Easy to follow steps, perfect for beginners. Enjoy 12 hours of mindfulness. And it says that each of these coasters would be approximately 5 inches. So let's take a look at it. And you can see through the box here that you can see the little balls of yarn. So I believe this is a new product for DMC, and it is available on their website, and I'll link to that in the description box below for those of you that might be interested in checking these out. We've got 2 different shades of blue. We've got our instructions there. Here we go. Here is our crochet hook. And a little package, which I'm assuming will be our stitch markers. Goodness. All right, here we go. Oh, these are different than the ones on the package. So these are little locking stitch markers, which are my favorite. I use locking stitch markers for everything. But on the package, it shows the little loop one. So I'm happy these are the locking ones. This is a bonus because I'm always losing these. All right. And then again, we've got our crochet hook here. If you're already an existing or current crocheter, you likely already have these hooks. I like to actually use these kind of hooks to add polymer clay on, or use them as backup hooks. They're really good for that. And we've got our instruction book here. And it even covers like the basics of how to crochet. We've got a section here on how to do the different stitches, weaving ends. And we've got our pattern. So that's what our coasters will look like. It looks like there's potentially 2 different styles in the book. So that'll be fun. And then we've got 2 different shades of the blue. So this is DMC Happy Cotton. It says Special Amigurumi, and it's actually really soft. It's a size 3 DK weight. It's machine washable on the wool cycle, wash with dark color separately, and it's 100% cotton. Recommended needle size is 4 millimeter, and the hook size is 3 millimeter. So I was just looking for a color. Oh, here we go. The colors are just numbers. So 767 and 750, but these are so cute, and I can't wait to try making these coasters. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video here, I'll pop off, I'll make one of the coasters, and I'll be right back. I am back, and I have finished a coaster from the DMC Mindful Making Mandala Coaster Kit. You can see it needs to be blocked. It's kind of curling up, but it will block out nicely. The pattern was really clear, it was straightforward, and it didn't really take me that long to do. I have to weave my ends in. But I really like it. It's really pretty. And each row was a simple repeat that you just kept repeating all the way around, which was nice. And it ties into that mindfulness of you're just doing kind of mindless stitching that creates something beautiful. I really like this outside edge piece. It's really, really pretty. I had actually wasn't thinking, and I did the wrong stitch. It wasn't the pattern. It was totally all me. And I had done, instead of this little cluster stitch, I had done just the 3 different stitches together, and it created a different look at the edge, which was actually, I really liked. So I might actually do that for another one of the coasters. But I've still got tons of yarn left. And there's no gauge listed in the pattern, but it looks like they give you more than enough yarn here to make multiple coasters. I can't find anything in here. I'm just double checking to make sure. It says make 4 coasters. I feel like you probably have enough to make a little bit more than 4, but that depends on your gauge. But for me, I could probably get maybe 5 or 6 out of it. But yeah, I really like this. It was a really fun little project. I'm actually going to save these for going on vacation. I'm going to take these because this would be a really great project to take with me to the beach, or just when we're lounging around, because I don't have to pay too much attention to it. And it was really relaxing. So I did really enjoy this. And thank you again to DMC for sending this to me so we could check it out. So that's it for me today. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget, if you like free crochet patterns, to head on over to my blog, theloopylamb.com. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.